In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Google account permanently. Okay, just directly to the tutorials. For the first, open Google app from your Android mobile. And then tap on your profile icon. And then tap on manage your Google account. Now, tap on data and personalization or data and privacy. Okay, go down. Tap on here, delete your Google account. And then type your password to confirm delete. And then click next or berikutnya. Okay, now go down, and then here, yes, I acknowledge that I'm still responsible for any charges. Tap on agree term and condition, tap on delete account here. So if you tap on delete account, your Google account will be deleted permanently, because I'm going not to delete my Google account. I don't want to tap on delete account here. So if you, let me repeat, if you delete this one, delete account, so your Google account will be deleted permanently. Okay, that's how to delete Google account permanently. Thanks for watching. See you next time.